beautiful souls? Welcome to the Infinite Cup. I'm your host, Robert Breton. This is the channel dedicated to spirituality, health, and wellness. So if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell as well so you do not miss a thing. All right, guys, I recently moved to Hawaii. I'm getting so many questions about how to live in Hawaii, how to live in this tropical place, how to afford traveling. All those questions are going to be answered in this video. Make sure you stick to the end because this is not what you think. You're not going to find this anywhere else on YouTube. Okay, so I get so many questions about Hawaii. It doesn't even matter. This is what I call the dance between the head and the heart. The heart wants something, right? It's like, I want to travel. And then the mind easily comes up and it's like, oh, you can't afford that. Oh, what about this? Oh, what about this responsibility? What about that, right? This is the constant dance between the head and the heart that is happening 24/7. In my life, I've simply chosen to put more energy into my heart, into my passion, into what I love. This is the fuel. The heart is a motor, just like the brain. Now, the question is, where are you putting your energy? Are you doing what you love? Think about it like this. The universe always gives you what you want. So when you have a heart-centered reality, when you're in your passion, the universe gives you more energy. The universe backs you up on your heart's greatest desires. If you're in your mind and you're just, living that 9-to-5 job and you're just going to work endlessly, doing, serving the mind, the universe gives you what you want. So it's like, cool, bro, just keep going to work, keep doing what you're doing, you got this, right? You really need to challenge the universe, challenge what's going on in your reality, because what you're experiencing right now, you're just simply not happy. So you need to circulate some new energy. So I am courageous enough to just go for it. I've always been this way my entire life. My advice to you is to simply do what you love. I know that sounds very simple. You have to put this into a practice. Doesn't have to be this huge, ginormous leap into moving to Hawaii or moving into anywhere tropical or wherever. What I'm saying is write down the top 3 things that you love to do. It could be as simple as riding your bike, hiking, listening to, the favorite song or music genre that you like. So when you're doing these things that you love, you're telling the universe that you're ready for that heart-centered consciousness. You're ready for that 5D. You're ready to go beyond this third-dimensional reality, which is based in the mind. The mind, I love one of my famous Ram Dass quotes that have always stuck with me is, the mind is a much better servant than it is a master, right? We need to use the mind and control our life, but not so much to where we're just unhappy, right? That's when you need to make that shift. The intellect is serving us, but most people are serving the mind and they're not serving that heart space. So it doesn't matter how much you have in your bank account. It doesn't matter all of those things. Like I said, that dance between the head and the heart is going to happen. You really need to think about what you can do in order to achieve those results in your life. Now, a lot of people are just simply confused when it comes down to doing what they love. So I really highly suggest that you start serving the heart. One of my favorite analogies too is you think about like wolves. Which wolf are you feeding? Because that wolf is getting stronger. Once you put more energy into this, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then it just won't stop. Every single day, I'm simply doing what I love, and it's effortless. The universe gives me energy, I feel in tune with the flow, and it's for the highest good of all. People are experiencing the bliss, the passion through my content. Everything is happening because it's in line with the highest good of all. Find that purpose, find that passion, find that thing that is in line with the highest good of all. You're gonna be able to, succeed, whether it's moving to Hawaii, whether it's starting a new business. You really need to take a step into the heart and be courageous about this. That's what this Earth Dance is all about. That's what a lot of people right now in 2019 are experiencing on planet Earth. They're experiencing a reality shift from the mind into the heart. The heart is a motor, 95 more times powerful than the mind. And why are so many people stuck in the head all the time, including myself? I'm not perfect, I'm not enlightened. What I'm telling you is, this is a daily practice. This is something you have to put into practice. I'm a certified Raja Yoga teacher, also known as Karma Yoga or Kriya Yoga, and this simply means action. We need to take action in this life, create that change that we're looking for so you can manifest your heart's greatest desires. I know the mind is, constantly chattering. I know it's there. This is where your meditation practice comes into play. Now, a lot of people are listening and watching this, right? And they're like, wow, Robert, how do I do this? What do I do? You need to meditate. You need to reprogram that subconscious mind, because those thoughts are just continuing and continuing to shift your reality into a place where you're not happy. So think about what you can do even today, right now, that's going to take that step into the heart. step into that heart-centered consciousness, watch the universe unfold this abundance upon you, and you just simply have to receive. My favorite mantra too is let go, surrender, repeat. Right? Whenever you feel stuck into that head and you feel that dance and you get frustrated, right? You're looking at your Instagram feed, you're watching all these people in these beautiful places, or a romantic couple that you might be fond of, and you want that partner, you want that business, whatever it is, restructure the subconscious mind. Get into that meditative state where you can really reprogram your thoughts. That way your heart becomes the leader of this and not the mind. Once you make that shift, everything is going to happen for the highest good of all in the heart. This isn't going to happen from some thought or some recipe. I mean, it doesn't matter if you have $10,000 in the bank or $1 million or even $1. Don't listen to that logic. Start listening to the heart. Feel that energy within your heart and go for it. Follow your passions right within the moment. Don't wait for it. When you feel that inspiration, act. Karma. This is your karma. This is what you need to do in this life. Otherwise, you're going to go through that samsara, the cycle of birth and death, and you're going to have to come back and do it all over again. So you might as well do it now. You might as well bring all of this manifestation into planet Earth so you can get all of those desire systems out onto this third dimensional platform, going up to the 5D, getting rid of all of those unwanted things, and you can really clear that subconscious mind to start living in the heart. If you guys have any other questions, I'm here for you anytime. If you want to take it to the next level, join my Inner Circle group. This is for members only, where I can give you uncensored content. All of the links are going to be in the description below. Check out my podcast, The Infinite Cup Podcast, on iTunes or anywhere where you listen to your music. And thanks for being here, guys. Go after your heart. Much love.